Can ketamine help with menopause? Watch and find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Stephanie Esposita, a board-certified anesthesiologist, and you're watching the FemHealth channel. Women are more commonly diagnosed with depression than men. During menopause, 20% of women experience depression. Depression is usually treated with SSRIs, which can have side effects and take a while to work. Ketamine is an anesthetic which has been approved for usage since the 1970s. Recently, sub-anesthetic doses of ketamine are being used to treatment-resistant conditions like depression, anxiety, postpartum depression, and OCD. Ketamine, unlike the typical antidepressants, works very quickly and can even work with the first infusion. It takes 6 treatments for the patient to have either remission or lessened symptoms of depression and can last quite a while. When used in the correct hands, it's safe, effective, and has very few side effects. Because some of the women with menopause do not do well with typical antidepressants, ketamine has been used widely and is a great treatment for the patients that do have menopause-associated depression. I hope this was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel below.